Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be continuing the pattern programming sheet and we will be solving the fourth pattern, that is the number pattern, but in the reverse order. So let's get started. So as the pattern, the first and the important thing we used to do, right? We used to count the number of rows and columns. So let us do that. That is the first row, that is the second row, that is the third row. And now count the number of columns. First column, second column, third column. Okay, now see what is the observation you are getting. Like in previous, if you have followed my series, in the previous problem we have given like count 1 2 3 4 like that, 1 2 3 4 like that we have given. That is the number of column 1 2 3 4. Here also it's similar, but here the total number of columns are printed in the reverse order, right? Like for 1 2 3 it is 3 2 1, means the number of columns, that is the total number of columns, are printed in reverse order, 3 2 1. Similarly this is mapped to this only but in reverse order, right? 3 2 1. Similarly this is mapped to this. Similarly this is mapped to this. So here we can say that number of columns in reverse, this you note it, right? Reverse is equal to the pattern, that is 3 2 1 3 2 1 like that, is equal to the pattern. Okay, so let us execute this. So as usual we will be taking the number of rows and columns. So in the pattern you can see there are 3 rows and 3 columns, right? See, 3 rows and 3 columns. See, one thing, earlier what we used to do, we used to print like j till 1, that is till first column, iterate till last column increasingly, like this, right? Means what do we mean by that? Simply like that is first row, first column, second column, third column, again second row, first column, second column, third column, again third row, first column, second column, third column, again fourth row, first column, second column, third column. This pattern means this one, means first row, first column, second column, third column, second row, first column, second column, third column, third row, first column, second column, third column, fourth row, first column, second column, third column. But here we will be printing in reverse order, right? 3 2 1 3 2 1 and 3 2 1. So only difference we want to make, we will be iterating not in linear order but in reverse order. That's it, this is the observation we need to make it. Now we will just map it with the number of iterations of the columns. Okay, means j will be starting from the total number of columns and it will end till the first column and it will be decremented. That's it, this is the only difference. So total number of rows 3, columns 3. So yeah, we are getting a required output, right? In reverse order, means only the column iterations we need to change. That's it. So if you really like this video, if you understand the concept, please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.